Welcome back, Ayden. I have a new story for you, and this one is called Rainstorm. In Spanish, it's gonna be lluvia. So, o tormenta o lluvia. Así que empecemos. Today, I will go out to play. Hoy saldré a jugar. Play es jugar en Spanish. Play, jugar en Spanish. When I look outside and I see the rain, I am very sad. Cuando miro afuera y veo la lluvia, estoy muy triste. Sad es triste. Sad, triste. When I heard the thunder, I am very mad. Cuando escucho el trueno, estoy muy enojado. Mad, enojado. Mad, enojado. Now that the storm is done, I will play in the mud. It is not that bad. So let's see what it says in Spanish. Ahora que la tormenta está lista, jugaré en el barro. No está tan mal. Mud, barro. Mud, barro. Now I am having fun and I'm very glad. Ahora me estoy divirtiendo y estoy muy contento. Glad, contento. Contenta if it's a girl. Contenta if it's a girl. Contento if it's a boy in Spanish. Now, I have a few questions for you, all right? Ready for me? Let's go. So, what does the character in this story want to do? And I have another one. Why can't the character go out and play at the beginning of the story? Think about this other one. Why it is muddy outside? Why do you think the character is glad at the end of the story? Think about it, Ayden. All right. Well, take care. Say hi to your family, and I will send you more stories. Bye-bye.